how to center text in a text box in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I'm gonna go to the left side here and I'm gonna choose this text tool. I'm just gonna drag out this box and now I'm gonna type in my text. Okay, and as you can see, it's aligned with the top left corner here. So in order to change that, we have to go to the paragraph section first. And as you can see, that can align your text to certain sides of the text box, whether it be left or right or center. This is sort of what we want, but the next thing we got to do is, now if you're using a more recent version of Illustrator, you might be seeing this area type tab here, which lets you reposition your text in the text box. So you can just click on Align to Center and it will put it in the center of the text box. But if you're not seeing this tab, we can just do something else. We can go to the top here where it says Type. We can go to Area Type Options, and once we click on that, this window will appear, and here under Align, you can see horizontal, and we're going to choose, instead of top, we're going to go with center, like that. And that's how you center a text in a text box in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.